weekly updates. I know this sounds ironic since the last episode was almost half a year ago. I think like 5 months. To be exact, 156 days ago. Which brings me to my first lesson that I want to share in this update. I learned about myself something important, is that you should never let waiting to be ready get you out of creating or documenting or working or whatever, right? Because I noticed a problem with me, which shows in these weekly episodes. I want everything to look good, I want everything to make it on my camera and grade it and, you know, make the audio good. But what this brought me to is that every time I remembered I want to do a weekly update video, I was waiting for me to be ready, to, you know, have the space ready, have the peace and quiet, have the camera ready, have the audio, and I was thinking about it. I was like, I should do this, I really want to do it, but the thought of having everything in place to be able to record got me out of doing it. So here I am on my iPhone, walking my dog. I'm recording this video because I want to get out of that. I want to record my updates. I want to be more comfortable in front of the camera, even if the circumstances are not perfect. So I think, at least for now, I might be doing it like this. Just recording bad audio, traffic going around, but it's fine. Otherwise, what's been up in this past few months? If I mention the most recent stuff that we've put out, it's Prelens. I have been talking about this in each update so far. Is this camera app for iOS that allows you to import XMPs from Lightroom and use them as live filters. So it's not just a LUT-based filter, but you actually import the XMP, we read the parameters, and then apply it in a live color pipeline. And exactly a week ago, it was officially released. It's now available on the App Store. You can go check it out. And I really want to see what you guys create with it. Funny story. Immediately after release, we got feedback that there's like a breaking bug that we missed. And I panicked a bit. I was like, how is this possible, right? Like we tested, we released, and now, of course, something's wrong. But the community was super helpful, super understanding. They were like, yeah, this happens, right? Just try to fix it as soon as possible, and it's all good. And yeah, we realized that there's like a blacks and whites adjustments in Lightroom. That parameter was reading wrong or rendering wrong in our app, so it completely broke the image. But now we actually already pushed a fix 2 days ago, and it's working much better. It's much more accurate. Of course, we are already getting requests for what's missing in the app, like batch importing of XMPs, support for raw capture, and we have in mind even more stuff. Like we eventually want to have a little bit of an editor, so you can even edit the XMPs and have a live preview of how the image will look. But again, trying to take it slowly. Release first, the MVP is working as it should, and now it's time for improvements, color accuracy improvements, new features. Other than that, we've been busy with some clients, releasing some new stuff. And there's like a new upcoming thing that we're releasing also, which is called Guavi app. It's basically a loyalty platform for the fitness niche, let's say. Basically, how this will work is you will be able to gain points for your workouts when you go to the gym, and then change those points for rewards from the gym itself or from various brands. Of course, it's a fitness niche, so mostly we're talking about sportswear, protein products, nutrition. But what's really cool is that it's like gamified. You will be able to compete with other gym goers. You will be able to see how many points they accumulated or spent. Either way you go to the gym, and if you can even get something from it other than, you know, a body that you feel good in, that's a plus, right? So mid-May we should be launching the first campaign. We are calling it the first season, and then we'll see how it goes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you next week.